Hey there, in this video I'm going to show you how you can install Sublime Text in your PC. Really simple. Just go to the browser, type here Sublime Text, and here you can see you will find here option download. So don't click here, just go with the Sublime Text 4 because this is the latest version. If you click here in the download, then it will actually download Sublime Text 3. So we actually want the latest version, so we'll go with the Sublime Text 4. And if you scroll a little bit down, you will find here download Sublime Text 4. So you can click here, and then you can actually select for which operating system actually you want to install it. In this case we are using Windows, so we are going to click here Windows. If you click here Windows, then it will be actually start downloading. I already download and install it in my PC. What you have to do after download, you just have to install it in your PC, and you will find something like this. Initially you will find this app in the recommended option, and then you just have to actually right click on it and then pin to start. Here you can see, then you will find it here, and after that you can right click on it and you can say here that pin to taskbar, then you will find it here. That's it. Now if you want to add any folder here, you can actually click here open folder, and from here you can actually select any folder. Let's say this one. If I select this one, and then the folder will be added here. Now the folder will work as a project. If you want to remove this folder, just click here in the video or the folder, right click on it and click here remove folder. Don't delete the folder, because if you delete this folder, then the folder will be deleted permanently. You cannot actually find the folder. But if you click here remove folder, then actually it will remove from the project. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching.